You are now in tune with Sweetcandygloss TV.
Hey you guys, it's Miss Los Angeles here today, and I am here with the unboxing video. I received my brand ambassador package from Sweetcandygloss, and I got my Rozayy facial kit, and I'm super duper excited because being a model, you have to have your skin up to really part. So this is about to get me up to part. So I just opened it up, and it says Rozayy facial kit, and it has the 3 steps on how to actually use it. Now we about to get right into it. Ooh, it came with some things in here. So I got me yes, I can wash my face, I can scrub my face, I can clean my face. Yes. Okay, and this is the kit. So I got me some lip scrub, and it's red cinnamon spice. Got me a lip scrub, yes. Okay, so this is the serum, and let's see what step. So the first step is to scrub my face with the face wash. I got this, I'm not sure what that is. I got my rose water spray for all the good glow. Okay, so this is the scrub right here. So this is the scrub. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the scrub. So this is step 1. This is scrub my face. Okay, so step 2 is to apply the spray. And then step 3 is for the serum. And let's get into it. So I'm done the serum and everything, and my face is just glowing, and I'm putting on my lip balm afterwards, so you know my face could get all the nutrients. It can be very hydrated for the day. And it just smells, it even tastes good. It's smooth. So that kind of concludes. So today, this is my first day doing it. I'm gonna be doing this for 7 days straight, so you guys can see my results. Yes, so go ahead, and I'm gonna package everything back up for tomorrow, and I will see you guys for day 2.
You are now in tune with Sweetcandygloss TV.